Hello dear teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you how to make a vegetable salad and in our home. And this recipe is a fireless recipe. Anyone can make this easily. So, for making this salad, let me tell you what things we need. Let's start. So, for making this recipe, we need 1 cucumber and 1 onion and 1 tomato cut with small pieces, and 1 carrot also we need. And sprout, you can use any sprout, but for me I need moong dal sprout. And this is 1 lemon juice, and this is 1 coriander leaf for decorating, and this is so healthy also. And this is some white salt and red chili powder. We need some cumin powder and chaat masala because we are making one salad, so we need chaat masala also, and black pepper, black salt. So let's start our recipe. So for making this recipe, first we need cucumber, 1 cucumber. We need all the cucumbers. Now we need some onion. We need to mix some onion. Now we need some tomato. Yum. Some carrot. I love carrot. And I have used moong dal sprout. You can use any sprout, So let's put our moong dal sprout. The onion has left. We have to not wastage food. So let's just do like cleanly. Yes. So now let's put our sprout. Moong dal sprout. One lemon juice. We have to skip this because we have to use this at the end for decorating. So let's skip this. And a half spoon salt. Now half spoon chili powder. If you don't want chili powder, if chili powder is so spicy for you all, then don't put. But I want to put. So I am putting half spoon red chili powder and coriander powder, cumin powder, half spoon. And chaat masala, half spoon. First let's mix. Looking yummy. Oh, now we have to put some black peppers. Achoo! And now some black salt. What taste! You're looking yummy. So we have to mix this properly. Okay, it has mixed properly. So let's put it over here in this plate. Looking very yummy. I want to eat it. And you know, friends, this is now unhealthy food because we have put so many vegetables. Now, this is one protective food. If we would eat all the vegetables every day, so the vegetables, if we will eat every day, then we will be protected from diseases. Our body can fight with diseases. It will get immunity powers, so it can fight also now with diseases. So this is one protective food. It protects our body. Now for decorating this salad, vegetable salad, we need coriander leaf, and coriander leaf is a healthy food. And a little coriander leaf between. So teachers and my dear friends, look, our salad is ready. Our salad is ready. Look, it's looking so yummy. So friends and teachers, how did you love my salad? Is it looking yummy now? I'm feeling so yummy. Nice smell. Thank you, dear teachers, for my looking this recipe, which we can make it in our home also very easily. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.